So today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite comfort foods for breakfast. Baked French toast with praline topping with one of my favorite guests. Can you guess? All right, you guys, so I promised you that I will be bringing on one of my favorite guests in the entire world, my lovely husband, Mr.
Hey, everybody. It's Macaroni Tony. How you doing?
My gosh.
So what do we have here? This looks...
Wait, we have to tell them why you're calling yourself Macaroni Tony.
No, we don't, because I make good macaroni,
Yes,
right?
my husband makes the best macaroni and cheese.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. So what we're making today is my baked French toast with praline topping. And this
Okay.
is incredibly easy, you guys. Are you ready to start?
I'm ready.
Okay, so what you would need for this is some day-old bread. And you can
Day-old bread?
Day-old bread. So you
Why not fresh bread?
if you make French toast with fresh bread, it'll be too soggy, and we don't want to do that. So it needs to be a little stale. What I like to do is I like to use whatever leftover bread that you have,
Got it.
in the pantry.
Okay.
And that could be your hamburger buns, that can be your hot dog buns, that could be bagels, really pretty much anything. And I've already helped you out a little bit here.
Okay.
And so what I want you to do is I just want you to just start breaking them into little pieces like this.
Just start breaking them?
Yes, kind of like into little pieces like this. So try to match what I've already done here.
Those look squares. Like, you cheated. Somebody had a knife for those, because I don't know if who's going to...
While you do that,
Okay.
I'm gonna work on the egg mixture.
Okay.
So what I have in front of me is a large mixing bowl, and I'm just gonna start cracking these eggs away. Weekend breakfast at our house is definitely one of my favorite times that we have as a family together. You make the eggs, right?
You make pancakes
Yep.
with your banana
Pancakes,
yes.
yep. Cairo and Cree, they love that.
You make smoothies sometimes. They like your smoothies.
Yep.
And I just make the eggs. That's about it.
Yep, and then we all get together at the table. Sometimes we'll have like cartoons going for like Cairo and Cree, right?
Every morning, we watch cartoons. They
Every
watch
morning.
cartoons, yes. So we...
Do you remember the first thing that I ever cooked for you when we were dating? And you guys, this was a long time ago. Cory and I started dating in 2000.
I forgot.
I
Like
forgot.
shrimp?
Yes.
Yes, Tia used to cook this shrimp. Was it shrimp pasta? And then she used to fry some bacon grease on the side and put it on the string beans?
Yep.
Or on the was it on the pasta?
It
too,
was
or
on
just
no, it was on the string beans.
Tia cooked shrimp pasta for me with some garlic bread, and it was really good. And that was the last meal she cooked for me in 2000. Just letting you guys know that. And it's all good though.
Cory,
We're still
oh my
together.
gosh, that's so not true.
We're still together.
Okay, so now you're gonna butter this baking dish. There you go. And why we are buttering the pan is because we don't want the French toast to stick.
Stick,
Right?
yes. You can tell that we're opposite, but we get each other.
We've been together for almost 20 years. That's a long time, y'all. My point is like we're night and day. Cory's just very cool and calm. And you guys, this is him 24/7.
So Tia,
This
do
is
I
him.
put these sprinkle?
Yes, so you just sprinkle that on just like that. Sometimes it drives me up the wall because I'll be
Tia
like,
tried. She tries to get a reaction out of me.
and he's just like this. Yeah, okay, yeah.
I think I'm
You
so
can-
calm because I always know everything's gonna be okay.
Yes, he always says everything's gonna work out. And I'm like, what do you mean everything's gonna work out? There's like a tornado outside. And he's just like,
I'm about solutions, fixing it and moving on.
yeah, he's very much about.
Tia likes to stay in the problem for too long, and I don't have time.
No,
to
I
stay.
don't like to stay in the problem.
You gotta-
I just like to think things out. Like, I'm a thinker. I like to compartmentalize my thoughts, and I'm like, okay, why is this happening? What's going on? And Cory's just like, So I've added my milk, and now we're gonna add some sweetness
You
to
didn't
this.
stir this really good enough.
You want to stir it some more? There you go.
Come on, it's
get in
about
it,
the
Cory.
presentation.
That's what he always says when he's cooking at the house. He's like, it's all about the presentation. And who else says that? Just about maybe like 2 tablespoons, right? So just a dash, 2 dashes, maybe 1, 2. I gotta catch up with you, Cory.
Is that cinnamon?
Cinnamon, do you wanna add some cinnamon in there?
Sure, how much, the whole thing?
The whole thing. Just go ahead and put some cinnamon in there. I'm gonna add some vanilla extract.
Oh, wow.
Pretty strong, huh? This is what I put in my pancakes at home too, for Cairo and Cory. And then I'm gonna add some salt. You know, people always ask, like, why do you add salt? Well, salt, what it does is it enhances all of the flavors. So it just makes the flavors go boom. Do you wanna mix it?
Yes.
You're doing so well. There you go. And just make sure all of that is incorporated. Now I'm gonna just add the egg mixture on top, right?
Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
Cory, don't play with me.
You gotta spread it out.
I am, Mr. Hardrick. I'm taking my time.
You run out of real estate there.
I've learned from you to take your time. Just like that, see? Look at that. Oh.
Wow.
So now we're gonna move on to the praline topping. So this is softened butter right here. And we're just gonna dump everything into this bowl. So you're gonna add the brown sugar. There you go. Then the pecans. How do you say pecans? Is it pecans?
It's pecans.
Pecans. I guess there's like, you know,
Just
with
depends.
tomato, it just depends. Then we're gonna add oats. We're gonna add our oats, and then we're gonna add some flour. And now I'm just gonna take this fork and just kind of mash it all together. And this is gonna be our topping for the French toast. With our hands.
I'll do it.
Okay. Just sprinkle it all on top. This is gonna be so good. Perfect, Cory. We're gonna put this into the refrigerator overnight, right? Because what we want to happen is we want this bread to soak up all of that egg mixture.
You want it to marinate,
You want,
right? That's a good word?
basically,
Marination.
that's not a word. So our French toast is out of the refrigerator, and now we're gonna throw it into the oven at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes.
Yes, and I'm gonna open up. You ready?
So the French toast is out of the oven and it is smelling divine, is it
You
not?
can smell it. Oh, you can. Oh, wow. Okay.
You like the corners, right, Cory?
Yes.
Okay, so that is exactly what I will be
Come on,
giving
give
you.
it to me. Give it to me.
Oof. I smell the chocolate, the cinnamon. Oh, it's so good,
I smell it all.
right? Do you want to put some syrup on it?
Yes.
Okay, drizzle it.
Okay, here goes the syrup.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
I am telling you guys, the kids are gonna love this. You wanna know why? Not only is it quick and it's easy, but look at how much of it they can have.
And it's sweet. It's sweet.
Wow, Cory, you're gonna put all of that in your mouth? Mm-hmm. Is it good? Is it good?
That is so good. The world is gonna love it.
Ah, yay!
You guys are gonna love this.
I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you want to know more about how our marriage works, just click our Q&A video right there, and we will see you over there. Bye, guys.
Peace.